There was a samurai so respected that men would surrender before drawing their swords. He never yelled. He never postured. He just existed. And that quiet existence destroyed his enemies. It broke them psychologically before physical combat even began. Here is how that works, and how you can replicate it without the katana. The world teaches you that leadership is loud, that power screams. But noise is just leaking insecurity. The small dog barks because it fears. The wolf watches. When you are loud, you are begging for validation. You are asking to be seen. True power does not ask. It takes. Silence is not empty. It is heavy. And you must learn to carry that weight. First tactic: the unshakable frame. Stoic indifference. He who reacts is controlled. The Ronin controls the room by refusing to vibrate at its frequency. Be the rock that the waves break against. Your indifference is aggressive. It terrifies them. Second tactic: absolute stillness. A weak man leaks energy. He fidgets. He taps. He looks around. The predator conserves energy until the strike. Move only when necessary. Be a statue that breathes. Stillness implies you are ready for violence. Third tactic: the iron mask. People are desperate to read you. Do not give them the book. When they insult you, nothing. When they praise you, nothing. Your lack of reaction forces them to question themselves. The unreadable man is the unbeatable man. Fourth tactic: the strategic pause. In conversation, silence creates a vacuum. Weak men rush to fill it. Wait. Let the silence hang heavy. Their discomfort is your leverage. He who breaks the silence first loses. Fifth tactic: the abyss gaze. Do not scan the room like prey. Lock on. Look through them, not at them. Soft eyes see nothing. Hard eyes see everything. Your eyes are weapons. them loaded. When you combine these, you change the temperature of the room. You become a black hole of authority. Men will lower their voices when you enter. They will seek your approval without knowing why. You control the outcome because you control yourself. But be warned. This power is not for the weak ego. Silence is heavy. Make sure you are strong enough to carry it. Speak less. See more. The world is full of noise. Be the silence. And let them fear what they cannot hear. Welcome to the ranks.